If it is whitish, then it's okay. But if it turns yellowish, greenish, or any color that you've seen before, then it definitely needs an attention. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. You know I love you, right? So if you are new here, I am the God Girl. If you're already part of the family, thank you so much for returning. Okay, so a situation or a problem of white discharge is very common in women, especially in young girls. If it is a little discharge once in a month, then there's no problem. But if it is more and regular, then it definitely needs attention and treatment. This white discharge is known as leucorrhoea in medical terms. If it is whitish, then it's okay. But if it turns yellowish, greenish, or any color that you've seen before, then it definitely needs an attention and a special treatment. Family, before I talk to you about the remedies to stop white discharge, I want to talk to you about some of the causes that make these things happen. And the first point I want to talk to you about is infections due to lack of hygiene in the vaginal area, hormonal imbalance, diabetes, multiple nutritional deficiencies. Last one, stress, the mother of all diseases. Let's appreciate it. Okay, that was just by the way. It is generally accompanied by symptoms like itchy private parts, burning sensations, constipation, dizziness, weakness. Sometimes a person gets a severe back pain. And the last one, odor from your private area. So family, here are some few natural remedies to prevent excessive white discharge. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Let's talk about card, being the first natural remedy I want to discuss with you about. It contains bacteria which create a healthy environment in the vagina. Yeah, the lactic acid in card would help decrease the flow of this white discharge. So take a cup of card early, either during your breakfast or lunch every day, and you will see a massive changes. The second point I want to talk to you about is coriander seed or coriander seed. Anyway, we move. Soak coriander seed in water overnight, okay, and then strain it and drink it. It's one of the effective ways to treat a white discharge if you have that issue. Why coriander herbs? It is the most useful herbs. Take this from me, which removes all toxins from our body, and it kills the microbes, which is the main cause of leucorrhoea. Now let's get to our third point, which is coconut water and then coconut oil. So guys, coconut has a lot and many medicinal properties like antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral. Coconut eliminates all toxins from our body. It kills the microbes and all other symptoms associated with leucorrhoea. Now, so guys, drink green coconut water daily and also apply coconut oil on the affected area in your vagina, and this will relieve you of the pain, itching, and the burning sensation. So grab for yourself. That is why I recommend a homemade coconut oil, so that you don't affect yourself with anything. You don't know what the person who did outside there has put in inside. So I did this myself, and I recommend you to practice homemade things, organic things as a lady. Now let's go to our fourth point, which is lady's finger or okra, and this is the favorite. Nigerian man will say favorite. Nigerian woman will say, or Nigerian man will say, the favorite of many people. So guys, okra has a lot of minerals which is effective in treating white discharge. Boil okra in water and then chew it or drink it anyhow you want it. I know it's quite disgusting, but we want solution because I want to stay clean for my health. Now let's get to our fifth point, which is yoga asanas. Yoga asanas increases the blood supply to our pelvic regions, and therefore it must be done effectively to prevent this condition. Here are some examples of yoga asanas I was able to capture in this video so that you can practice to prevent this white condition. Now let's go to our sixth point. Soak yourself in warm water. Guys, let me tell you this. If you don't practice of any of these things I have told you, don't joke with this point. As a lady, soak yourself in warm water, contract your anal muscles, like give yourself a time limit of 4 to 5 minutes, contract and relax your vagina 4 to 5 minutes, and do this for like 10 minutes. Sit in the warm water for like 10. I didn't say hot water, I said warm water. Go the extra mile of squeezing the lemon juice in the water, and it's a very natural way. I grew up seeing my mother doing it, my grandmother, and it has been with me ever since. 7 points: you must take a long brisk walk every day. Walk. Most of us, we don't like walking every morning before. If you know that you go to work like 8 a.m., get up early in the morning, you can walk along your where you stay. Don't go too far, briskly. Just do it for like 10 minutes every morning, okay? So when you go to the bathroom, or anytime you pee, anytime you do anything, make sure you are cleaning that place, you are drying the place, very systematic order. Don't go all the way from your anal genitals to your vaginal genitals. Don't do that. It's a very bad way. If it is possible, wash your anus from the back view. Don't try to wash your anus. I know a lot of people do it from the back to the front. You're just causing yourself a lot of damages and a lot of bacteria. So do that very systematically after bath, after peeing, after washing, after anything. Just be systematic about it as an elegant lady, and you will love it. The next do I want to talk to you about, I think I said it under the seed point when I was talking about the natural remedies. Squeeze lemon and put it in warm water, splash it. This one you splash it, okay? Splash it around your vagina area to prevent any bacteria or any whatever it is called that is surrounding the place, and it's a very effective way to prevent white discharges. You make sure you dry the place with a very clean towel when you are done. And that takes me to my next do. Drink sufficient water every day. And by so doing, you are washing toxins from your system. Drink water early in the morning when you wake up, and it's a very great way to start your day at this point. Wash your innerwears, okay? Try to wear cotton innerwears. Change regularly. First point, guys, this is coming from my heart as a lady to your heart. The first don't is that please stop wearing innerwears over and over. I know people that they wear their what we popularly call or commonly called underwear. They wear their panties, they wear their underwears, and they wear them for like 3 days a week. No, please do your best to change your innerwears every day, because we are full of heat. That make sure you don't wear nylon innerwears. I think most of us, we like nylons. It just produces heat, and it's just adding to the fact that bacteria can be grown there to produce more white discharge. So please try your best to change regularly. And there are some places I go and I carry 2 panties, because I know as I'm going, the sun is scorching, I'm going to be wet. So if I get a washroom, I just change, dry myself with the towel or the tissue I have, and there I go. I change it and I put on the other pants. So try your best. If you really want to, if you are suffering from this problem, check your innerwear. Your innerwear is a very serious problem that ladies don't really give attention to it. Please, the next don't. Please don't use the same towel you use for your body, for your genitals. It's very important, okay? One thing I want you to know is that, imagine, after bath, when you scratch your body very hard, you still see dirt. We came from the dust. That is how God made us. So try your best if you can get a very cute white towel for that place. The third one I want to talk to you about is, there are some ladies that when they put on pad, and for example they put it on in the evening and it didn't come, they will still, and it was there, it was under their genitals, they will keep that, they will still wear that pad the next day. It is one of the dangerous things to just produce white discharges. And I used to have one of my classmates in SHS that she would say that, Reggie, me the pad there, If it doesn't come, it is there. It is there till I will not change it. And I realized that it was all childish behavior that we grew up with. Now we are matured, we are grown-ups. So please try to change your pad. Even if you put there 12 a.m. and you're supposed to take your bath to work 4 a.m. and it didn't come, please change it. The next point I want to talk to you about is avoid hot and spicy food. There are some ladies that are minister of hot and spicy food. Not at all. Sometimes when I see some food, cooking channels or some food or whatever it is I can call it, or some friends I have, they can add a lot of, I don't even know those spices. So apart from nutmeg and rosemary and kitty that my mother, and ginger and garlic, which one again? That is the natural ingredients that we've been known for ages. My grandmother would tell you, Nanekia, all you need in your food is ginger and garlic. Avoid too much hot and spicy food. If it's once in a while you went out for a date and then it came your way, that's fine. But if it becomes a constant habit, the ladies that say that if the pepper is too much, that is where I enjoy it. So avoid all sugary food, ice creams. What again? Pastries. I'm not saying don't eat this food, but please don't make it become a habit. I know one girl who she has a pack of toffees, sweet flavors, so sweet ones in a bag. She eats it every time. Please, you're just causing harm to yourself. I think that will be all for the don'ts. Thank you so much for sticking through with me in today's video. I hope and I believe this video is going to be an impactful one to somebody's life. Till I see you again, never stop dreaming, never stop loving people, and never ever stop being your best. I love you so much with the love of God. I'll see you in my following video. Take care of yourself. Bye.